You're busy. Meetings, deadlines, long commutes, and somehow you're expected to eat healthy too. The good news? Losing weight doesn't require long cooking sessions or boring food. Today on SlimSync, I'm showing you 5 fast, delicious meals for busy professionals who want results without wasting time. You think you're too busy to cook? That healthy food is bland and takes hours? Rubbish. The problem isn't your schedule, it's your mindset. You're a professional, you manage projects, hit targets, lead teams. Apply that same excellence to what you eat. Today, I'm not just giving you recipes, I'm giving you a system to reclaim your lunch break and your health. 5 stunning fast meals to fuel your body, sharpen your mind and help you shed pounds, without even noticing. So, get your notepad out, and prepare to change the way you think about food forever. Let's go. First up, let's crush that Chinese takeout craving for good. We've all been there. Late nights, long days, and the lure of those greasy, salty boxes calling your name. But what if you could have all the bold flavors you love, without the heavy, sluggish feeling after? It's time to say goodbye to mystery sauces and soggy veggies. We're making garlic pepper beef and broccoli steam bowl. 1 pan, 10 minutes, real food. This is a weeknight hero, quick, nourishing, and packed with flavor. No complicated steps, no fancy gadgets, just honest ingredients and a little bit of love. Start with lean sirloin or flank steak, thinly sliced against the grain for tenderness. Lean protein not only fires up your metabolism and keeps you full, but it also helps your body repair and build muscle. Perfect for busy days when you need to stay sharp and energized. Marinate the beef with plenty of fresh garlic, cracked black pepper, low-sodium soy sauce, and just a splash of toasted sesame oil. Let the beef soak up those flavors for at least 5 minutes, longer if you have time. This step is where the magic happens, infusing every bite with savory, peppery goodness. Next, chop your broccoli into bite-sized florets. Don't overcook them. You want vibrant, crisp, tender greens that are full of fiber, vitamins, and crunch. Broccoli is a powerhouse veggie, great for your immune system and digestion. Heat a wok or large skillet with a touch of high smoke point oil. Think avocado or grapeseed. Sear the beef in a single layer, letting it develop a beautiful brown crust. This quick sear locks in juices and adds that irresistible umami flavor. Give everything a good toss, then add your broccoli. Splash in a bit of water or low-sodium broth, cover, and let it steam for just 2 to 3 minutes. The steam cooks the broccoli perfectly while keeping the beef juicy and tender. The result? Bright green broccoli, juicy beef, and a glossy garlic pepper sauce clinging to every bite. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it tastes like you spent way more time than you actually did. Serve it up as is for a low-carb, high-protein meal, or add a scoop of quinoa or brown rice if you need extra fuel for your day. This bowl is totally customizable. Add chili flakes for heat or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for crunch. The best part? You can prep the beef and broccoli the night before, so when you're hungry, it's just a 5-minute meal away. Perfect for meal prep. Just portion into containers, and you're set for the week. Next time you're tempted by takeout, remember this dish. You'll feel better, have more energy, and stay on track with your goals. Homemade always wins. Your wallet and your body will thank you. Outsmart the takeout menu every time. Well done. Clean your station, take a moment to appreciate your effort, and get ready for the next delicious recipe. Some days, you don't have time to cook. The clock is ticking, your to-do list is growing, and the last thing you want is to spend ages in the kitchen. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your health or flavor for convenience. That's not an excuse for junk food. You deserve better than greasy takeout or a sad vending machine snack that leaves you sluggish and unsatisfied. Enter the honey mustard chicken wrap. 0 cooking, 5 minutes, huge flavor. It's the ultimate solution for busy days. And it's so easy, you'll wonder why you ever settled for less. Use pre-cooked chicken breast, rotisserie or quality strips. This shortcut saves you precious time and still delivers on taste and nutrition. Check the label. Chicken, salt, pepper, nothing else. Avoid added sugars, fillers, or preservatives. The simpler, the better for your body and your energy. For the sauce, Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, a drizzle of honey, salt, and pepper. Whisk. Done. This creamy tangy dressing is packed with protein and flavor, and it's so much healthier than store-bought sauces loaded with sugar and oil. Choose a whole wheat or low-carb tortilla, or use a big lettuce leaf for a carb-free crunch. The wrap is your canvas. Pick what fits your goals and taste. Add shredded carrots, sliced cucumber and spinach or arugula for texture and nutrients. These fresh veggies add crunch, color, and a boost of vitamins and minerals to keep you energized. Spread the dressing, layer the greens, chicken and veggies. Don't overfill. The key is balance. Enough filling for satisfaction, but not so much that it falls apart. Fold the bottom. Roll tightly. No mess, no soggy wrap. A tight roll keeps everything together so you can eat on the go without worry. Wrap in parchment for a portable, fresh lunch. It stays crisp, and you can toss it in your bag for work, school, or even a road trip. You get protein from chicken and yogurt, complex carbs from the wrap, and fiber from veggies. Every bite is balanced to keep you full and fueled for hours. This wrap keeps you full, focused, and away from the vending machine. No more mid-afternoon crashes or cravings for junk. No more sad pre-packaged sandwiches. You're taking control of your lunch and your health, one delicious wrap at a time. This is real fuel for your workday. You'll feel the difference in your energy, your mood, and your productivity. When you eat well, you perform better. Your mind is sharper, your focus lasts longer, and you're ready to tackle whatever comes your way. No time to cook? No problem. You have time to assemble. In just a few minutes you can create a meal that's fresh, satisfying, and tailored to your needs. Master this wrap, and you'll never settle for less again. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning you can enjoy delicious, nourishing meals every day. Let's keep going. Time to elevate your lunch routine. No stove, no microwave, just pure, effortless assembly. Whether you're at home or in the office, this bento is designed for maximum nutrition and minimum fuss. Meet the smoked salmon protein bento, elegant, brain-boosting, and ready in minutes. It's a meal that feels special, even on your busiest days. Start with high-quality smoked salmon. Look for vibrant color and a silky texture. This fish is rich in protein and loaded with omega-3s, which help keep your energy steady and your mind sharp all afternoon. Next, whip up a quick dill lemon yogurt. Just combine creamy Greek yogurt, a handful of chopped fresh dill, a squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of salt. This tangy dip adds brightness and a boost of probiotics for gut health. For crunch and color, add cucumber spears and bell pepper strips. These veggies are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, perfect for keeping you refreshed and focused. Don't forget whole grain seed crackers. They provide smart, slow-burning carbs and extra fiber, helping you stay full and satisfied until your next meal. Add a hard-boiled egg for even more protein and healthy fats. Slice it up and sprinkle with paprika for a pop of color and a hint of smoky flavor. Use a bento box with dividers to keep everything neat, organized, and visually appealing. Presentation matters. It makes your meal feel like a treat. Arrange the smoked salmon, yogurt, veggies, crackers, and egg in their own compartments. For extra flavor and healthy fats, toss in a few olives or a handful of almonds if you like. The result? A meal that's filling, energizing, and as beautiful as it is delicious. Every bite is a reminder that you deserve to eat well, even on the go. Best of all, it takes just 10 minutes to assemble, so you can enjoy a nourishing lunch without sacrificing your schedule or your energy. When you want to feel polished, powerful, and ready to tackle the rest of your day, this is your go-to lunch. Smart choices, quality ingredients, and a little care. This is how you win lunch, every single time. Craving pasta? Traditional bowls mean carb crashes and afternoon slumps. Let's trick your brain with zoodle pesto shrimp flash sauté. Comfort food, no guilt. Spiralize fresh zucchini for zoodles. Don't overcook, just warm through for a perfect bite. Use raw, peeled shrimp. Pat dry, season, and sear in a hot skillet for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove shrimp, then sauté garlic and cherry tomatoes in the same pan for extra flavor. Add zoodles, a spoonful of quality pesto, and the shrimp. Toss quickly, just enough to coat and heat. Finish with red pepper flakes or toasted pine nuts. You get lean protein, healthy fats, and a huge serving of veggies, all in under 15 minutes. This meal satisfies pasta cravings, keeps you light and energized, and powers you through the afternoon. Outsmart the carb coma. Fast, fresh, and delicious. Chain to your desk. No time for lunch? Here's your 2-minute solution. Microwave miso egg drop soup. All you need: white miso paste, an egg, hot water, dried seaweed, and scallions. Add miso to a mug, dissolve with hot water, then fill up with more hot water for broth. Add dried seaweed, It rehydrates instantly. Whisk an egg, then pour slowly into the swirling hot broth to create silky ribbons. Top with scallions for freshness. In 2 minutes, you have a hot, protein-rich, comforting soup. It's filling, hydrating, and gives you a real break, even at your desk. No more excuses. You can eat well anywhere, anytime. Healthy eating doesn't need extra hours, just smarter choices. Start with one of these meals this week and build consistency from there. 5 fast, powerful meals. No more too busy excuses. From a one-pan steak dinner to a 2-minute soup, you now have the tools to take back your lunch. This isn't about a diet. It's about a standard of excellence for your health. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one meal, master it, and notice the difference. Build on that success, one meal at a time. Consistency delivers results. Stop wishing for results. Start creating them. The power is in your hands, your kitchen, even your desk drawer. You have the knowledge. Use it. Change your routine. You're capable of incredible things. Let your nutrition reflect that ambition. Now get to it.